Hey there, Python trainer Reuven Lerner here. When I talk to people about what confuses them or frustrates them in their use of Python, very, very often they tell me that it's object-oriented programming that gets them stuck. They don't quite understand the terminology, the use case, and especially the way that Python uses objects and the way that we implement our own classes and methods in Python. Even if you have experience with object-oriented programming in another language, Python's object system can seem a little weird and a little bare bones, and it's not obvious how powerful it is. Well, Python objects are very powerful if you know how to use them, and the best way to learn them is through practice. That's why Weekly Python Exercise has an upcoming cohort starting on September 8th that's all about object-oriented programming. If you're new to Python, and that means if you've had less than a year of experience with Python, or you're new to Python objects, then Weekly Python Exercise will give you 15 weeks of questions, answers, explanations, and a community that will help you to learn even more, as well as my monthly office hours, where you can ask me anything about Python objects, the exercises, or anything at all that might be troubling you. Join me for Weekly Python Exercise A3, all about objects for beginners, starting on September 8th. Sign up now at weeklypythonexercise.com.